Hey Natalie, Sylas here from Ascension Marketing Agency. I'm making this custom video for you folks over at Yack Construction. Now the purpose behind this is I'm going to show you guys how your website is performing on Google, the strength of it, show you guys how your online presence looks now, and then give you guys some tips and tricks on how to boost and maximize your online presence. All right. I'm also going to be doing a side-by-side comparison between you folks and one of your competitors in the area, ERX Emergency Restoration. Okay. And then I'll show you what they're doing and how you can do the same and beat them out as well. All right. So I'm going to go over a few things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First thing with content is on your home page, you want to have about 1,500 words worth of content just on your home page alone. So you guys got a nice website, beautiful website. I don't think there's 1,500 words worth, but that's okay. That's an easy fix. And although I say words, you can also do pictures as well. That's considered content. And you also want to have some sort of content on these other tabs as well, because it just looks better in Google's eyes. And then with content, another thing is keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And keywords can be found anywhere on any page on your content. All right. So now an example of a keyword would be disaster restoration, Las Vegas, Nevada, or NV. So I went with, because I know you guys do construction and restoration, so I just went with restoration for this example. And we see that these top 3 companies pop up here in the map pack. I'll show you how you can get Yack Construction mentioned up here. And then you'll notice down over here, we have the organic results. So we have some companies up here, but I just decided to go with these guys for the example today. If we dig a little deeper into keywords. So this site I use to run analytics for websites. So as you can see, I got yours up here, Yack Construction. Now if we look over here, your website currently has 4 keywords on it. That is bringing 11 traffic per month. So there's 11 people coming to your site per month because of these 4 keywords. And if we look over at what ERX Emergency are doing, so we got ERX Las Vegas, you'll see that they have 198 keywords on their website, bring them 194 traffic per month. So obviously we want to get those keywords up so we can bring more traffic to your website, right? So we look at what these keywords are. So all we got is Yack, and Yack has, like, when it comes to keywords, you want more buyer intent keywords, meaning that you want people typing in something on Google with the intent of buying a service that you provide. So this is what people are typing in. This is how many times people type that in a month, and then your position for it on Google, right? So Yack, there's really no intent in buying a restoration service or a construction service that you provide. So you would want a keyword, something more like, let's look over what these guys are doing. Let's give you an example. So right here, asbestos removal Las Vegas. I don't know if you guys do asbestos, but cabinet repair Las Vegas, I know you guys do construction. Restoration companies Las Vegas, that's getting 150 searches a month. So you guys might want to implement that onto your website. Las Vegas restoration, 600 searches per month. So that's a really good one. You definitely want to get that on your website somewhere multiple times. Las Vegas restoration companies, 150, so on and so forth. So they got some good keywords on their website. So what you want to do is come over to them and any other competitor companies in the area and just see what keywords are working for them, see the volume, right? And if it makes sense, go ahead and put it in your website as well. So you can start to gain this type of traffic on your website, right? So do that for keywords. Next up is backlinks. A backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another via clickable text. So in other words, there's a site out there with a link to your website, right? And it acts as an endorsement, and Google sees this as a trust factor because it's like that site is vouching for yours. So this is what these numbers are right here. So this means that there's 18 other websites out there with a link to your website 658 times. So anyone on these 18 websites can find your link and go to your website. And now over here at ERX Las Vegas, they have 864 links on 196 different websites. So just the higher the number, then the higher possibility people are going to click on your link and go to your website. And although quantity is good here with backlinks, you want quality as well, because you're a construction and restoration company. You don't want your website link being mentioned on a website or blog about cats and dogs, right? There's no relevance there. So maybe something that has to do with mold or fire damage or construction, a website about that, and then your link is mentioned, then there's a higher chance that your link gets clicked and a higher chance that you gain a client that way. So that's backlinks, that's keywords, that's how you gain organic traffic. Next, I'm going to go over citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown, just like it is on your Google business profile. So places like Yelp, these are directories, right? Yelp, Angelus, Expertise, Home Advisor, etc. There's hundreds of places like that online. So the more places you have your name, number, and address shown, then the higher chance you have of being shown up here in the map pack. And this is huge because not a lot of people scroll all the way down to look for something. Most likely they'll go with whatever's up here or the first few organic results. So that's why it's very important to get your citations up so you can be mentioned not only over here. Actually, yeah, citations are only for over here. And then you want your keywords and backlinks up so you can be mentioned number 1 over here as well. So once you do that for both construction services and restoration services that you provide, then anytime someone looks either of those two up and they need your services or those services, your company will be listed amongst the top. All right. And hopefully that way you guys can convert more traffic into clients. So that's it for me. I hope you learned something today, Natalie. Hopefully that you can implement some of these strategies into your guys' website, and hopefully that can take Yack Construction to the next level in business. All right. So all I ask is that you leave one line of feedback. How did you like it? What did you think of it? What was your favorite part? And if you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right. Well, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day.